everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central YouTube. Welcome to Wig Talk Wednesday. Now, if you missed last week's Wig Talk Wednesday, I had talked about whether or not you wear wigs at home. And in my video, I mentioned, it was a couple of seconds, that sometimes I might wear a wig to bed upon request. People wanted to know, how in the world do you keep a wig on during upon request intimate moments? I wasn't going to do a video on this sort of thing, but I had so many requests for it. Here we are. I'm going to show you foolproof ways to keep your wig on during your most intimate 50 Shades of Grey moments. Before we get started, I am wearing the beautiful Jon Renau wig. This is Heidi, and Heidi is in the color Laguna Blonde. This is a rooted blonde color. I have a wig review about Heidi, and I will leave a link to that wig review in the video description box under this video in case you would like to learn more about this beautiful synthetic style. Let's get started. This is Mehron Spirit Gum. Spirit Gum is an alcohol and resin-based adhesive that is used in Hollywood. It is used by actors on Broadway. It is considered a professional adhesive product. This spirit gum is used to adhere prosthetic noses, bald caps, hair along the upper lip like a fake mustache. Wig gum requires the spirit gum remover, which I ran out of. I don't have any currently. My friend is going to show you how it works. Let's watch.
So now I'm just using a 70% alcohol on a cotton pad to get rid of excess oil on my face and neck, so that my head when I'm doing it on myself. So I'm just going to apply that on my forehead, about an inch on your forehead, and just make sure the spirit gum is tacky before you stick your bald cap on.
Spirit gum is an amber colored alcohol resin liquid adhesive. You would use the brush applicator and you would place the liquid adhesive along your hairline where your lace front goes. To tack it down, you would press the lace front down and lift. Press and lift. What happens is spirit gum is activated when you tap on it with a finger or when you lift and press back, whatever it is you're trying to adhere. You lift and press, you can then hold it down for a couple of seconds. Once it has dried and adhered, your wig is not going to move. Of course, I will leave a product link where you can buy spirit gum in the video description box under this video. So unfortunately, I cannot show you how to remove this, but it's so easy. You just use the remover and then you follow that with some soap and water. But to make sure you have all the information you need, I will leave a link to a video that shows you how to remove this product, and I'll leave it in the description box under this video. Up next, we have Wig Secure by Amy Gibson. I love this Wig Secure wig band. I wear this whether I'm in the bedroom or not. But now, Wig Secure, what I love about this product, and I have a video that shows you all the details about this product. I'll leave that in the video description box, along with the product link where you can buy this. So I'm just going to do a quick overview of this product. What I love about Wig Secure is that there is a silicone band on this side. If you have little to no hair, you would wear the silicone against your head. If you do have hair, there is a velvet side. and you would wear the velvet side against your head. Though I have thinning hair, I do have hair. So I will use this with the velvet side against my head. And there's Velcro in the back that you will fix. And so as you can see, the silicone is now facing to the outside. Let's put the wig on. So you would put your wig on like you normally would, get it centered. Now you'll want to make sure that your lace front, if you do have a lace front on your wig, is laying as it should against your forehead and that the Wig Secure is not showing. Watch this. You can jerk. I mean jerk. And this is not coming off. It will not come off. I hope that you have found this quick Wig Talk Wednesday helpful. If you have any tips how to keep your wig in place when you have those intimate, adventurous moments, we would love to hear your tips and tricks. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you know someone who may need this kind of information, don't be afraid to share this video. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.